Have you ever considered creating content without revealing your identity? Maybe you're interested in maintaining a separation between their personal and online lives. Or perhaps you want your content to be more universally appealing. Or the reason about flexibility. Faceless creators have more flexibility in terms of where and when they can create content. This can allow for more frequent uploads and a more consistent content schedule. In this video, we'll be exploring some exciting niches for creating a faceless YouTube channel. We'll cover a variety of topics that are sure to inspire you, and it could generate an income up to $30,000 a month. Number 1. Gaming channel. It is not required to show faces on gaming channels, since viewers are mostly interested in the games themselves. Depending on your interests, you can specialize in role-playing or sports games. Having a niche audience of gaming enthusiasts will help you increase subscribers and viewers, which will boost your earnings. Total Gaming. This channel has over 34.8 million subscribers with more than 38 million views a month. This gaming channel generates income up to $154,000, and this is amazing. Number 2. Ambience channel. You can create calming ambience videos for studying, sleeping, meditation, or relaxation. To create a peaceful atmosphere, you can film nature scenes, cityscapes, or even ASMR videos. Here are a few examples. The Soul of Wind. This channel makes money over $30,000 per month without showing their face, and they have about 2.6 million subscribers. Number 3. Motivational channel. Millions of people watch motivational talks and videos every day. Typically, they use appealing visuals with role models and an enthralling voice to convey the message. You can choose a compilation of motivational quotes for the background music or write your own script. These channels are very simple and can generate income over $12,000 a month. Number 4. Cooking channel. People likes to search for some tasty and quick recipes, and they can get this easily on YouTube these days. If you like cooking, this niche could be interesting for you. You can create a channel by focusing on recipes and tutorials for specific types of food, while others may offer tips and tricks for cooking techniques, equipment, and ingredients. This channel, Men with the Pot, has 1.25 million subscribers and can make money around $13,000 per month. Number 5. Tutorial or life hack channel. When people need help with anything, they go to YouTube. People are very interested in watching videos that teach them life hacks or essential skills that can be useful in certain situations. You can make a video to help people understand how to use an app or device, how to fold their clothes or iron them in less time than it usually takes, how to grow a YouTube channel, how to screen your record on MacBook, and etc. Number 6. DIY tutorials. DIY is one of the top YouTube channel ideas without showing your face. If you are a creative person, DIY channel could be interesting for you. You can make your own soap to building furniture, or repair something new from the old household items yourself. In this, you just need to show your creativity by moving your hand and telling the hacks of doing them. You need not show your face, but you need to be very creative and unique for starting a DIY channel. Not everyone can start it. Number 7. Animation channels. Animation videos are trending a lot on YouTube these days, but it is essential to have a unique style for creating such videos, as then only you will be able to keep viewers entertained. It is a nice way to earn money on YouTube without showing your face. Pick a trending or interesting topic. Break it into an easily understood way. You can use some tools such as Doodly, Toonly, or Video Script to help you create the animation and present it through animation. Number 8. News channels. You can post news videos about local issues or global issues that may be of interest to your subscribers. You don't have to cover news issues like your regular news channels, but you could rather bring positive news or offer your opinion. Number 9. Biography video channel. Many YouTube channels have created biography videos, and they have millions of subscribers. You can start making biography videos by searching biographies of famous people. Include details about their educational background, career, relationship, family, etc. in the video. Number 10. Product review. If you like shoes, you can review them. If you like gadgets, you can review different types of gadgets and tell others about them. Since there are various channels made especially for this concept, you can do it for any niche you like. You just need to create a video showing the product in your hand and then share the review. Number 11. Unboxing video channel. Unboxing video is slightly different than offering comprehensive reviews video. You just show how a product looks out of the box and maybe the initial observations or general features. It sort of reminds people of opening presents on Christmas and interestingly has a great audience. A good example of this is Dr. D-Box, who has almost 8 million subscribers for his faceless YouTube channel, and it makes $12,000 for him a month. Number 12, travel video channel. You can create a video of famous food wherever you travel and give reviews if you like it or not. Also, you can capture the famous tourist destination to visit. People love such kinds of videos and watch such videos before traveling to know the specialty of the place. So, if your passion is traveling, convert it into a good earning source by creating videos and uploading them on YouTube. Number 13, pet channel. If you also are an animal lover, you can start a YouTube channel and talk about them, share some tips on keeping them clean, their vaccination food, etc. You can also talk about different breeds, abilities, behavior, or even share funny and cute moments of your pet. If your channel gets many viewers, you can also sell animal products by becoming their affiliate partner. Number 14, horror video channel. There are many people who like mysterious or horrific stories. You can share real horror stories or writing your own script that has all the elements of a good ghost story. This story then needs to be supported by complementing music that can push the scare meter a bit further. This is one of the top YouTube channel ideas without showing your face. Number 15, language video channel. Learning a language definitely deserves its own category in faceless YouTube channel ideas. You can create a channel teaching English or popular languages like French, Korean, Spanish, or even Thai, and you can use AI voiceover instead of using your voice. If you don't want to show your face and voice, the interesting thing is when you have more subscribers, you can also generate more income stream by selling the online language courses. More classic example of this is English speaking course, which has over 1.9 million subscribers. They use animation in their videos to help tell stories and teach concepts in a particular language. Number 16, experiments video channel. Experiments video is popular because it makes people feel excited with the experiments. There is a general draw to seeing how something is going to play out and why. One of the most popular experiments video channel is Power Vision. It's a channel for fun at-home experiments that you can try on your own. If you didn't think that this category could get a lot of subscribers, this channel alone has almost 10 million subscribers today and make money up to $170,000. Number 17, tutoring channel. When people looking for a place to learn or upgrade their skills, YouTube is the first option for them. They can help you learn anything from guitar skills, food preparation, and various technical courses like programming. Good example is Khan Academy. It is a very popular tutoring channel which has 7.8 million subscribers and make money around $28,000 a month. This channel helps students succeed in math, biology, chemistry, physics, history, economics, finance, grammar, and many other topics. Number 18, ASMR channel. This is a unique category because there is a huge emphasis on sound. ASMR revolves around making certain sounds that create a tingling feeling of happiness and satisfaction. The technique includes a variety of methods like tapping a microphone, whispering, among many more. Kuromaser ASMR is a good example. This channel shows a zoomed-in focus so you can see what is producing the noise. They have almost 2 million subscribers and make money around $55,000 a month. Number 19, top list videos. People love to rank and list things. For example, best singer, best videos in 2023 from 10 to 1, list of best dancers from 5 to 1, top highest mountain in the world from 5 to 1, and etc. Number 20, podcast channel. The main content for podcast is the audio. Thus, you can also create podcasts as well if you do not want to come in front of the camera. You can begin a podcast on any topic you like, such as education, sports, politics, games, etc. You can either create audio and post it on podcast, Spotify, and also on YouTube to expand your target audience. Podcasting is an increasingly popular platform and grow over 30% in the past years. It could be interesting channel for you. Never be afraid to experiment and try new things until you find the perfect fit. Making your mark on YouTube is possible with consistency and dedication. Thank you for watching. If this video is useful for you, don't forget to hit like or subscribe button. See you again in next video.